Do you know PISA? PISA? It's an entity sa US na nagme-measure ng ability of 15 years olds to use mathematics and sciences sa mga araw-araw na buhay nila. Tapos ang ginagawa nila doon, they rank that. Out of 80 countries na nagpa-participate, they rank that. They produce a report. Alam niyo ba kung pang ilan ang Pilipinas? Sa mathematics, we are ranked 76th. Bottom 5% tayo. Sa sciences naman, we are ranked 78th. Even further down. Siyempre, sasabihin ng iba, ganun talaga, twisted talaga yung natin, educational system natin sa Pilipinas. Dapat magbago. Or yung sasabihin ng iba, hindi naman natin kailangan ng maths and sciences eh. We need those subjects to progress as a country. And lahat itong ekonomiya natin is built around that. Doon sa magsasabi na, hindi, yung natin, educational system talaga may dyan, mali. We also rank one of the highest sa mga repeaters. So, ibig sabihin, hindi yung educational system natin ang mali. Because there was a time na tayo yung nangunguna dyan eh. Ang alam na lang natin ngayon, ang pinagmamalaki natin is magaling tayo mag-English. Magaling tayo mag-English pero yung comprehension natin is wala. Magaling lang tayo magsalita, di tayo marunong makinig. And this is a message for influencers na nagsasabi na we don't need education to succeed in life. Maybe you, but the country needs it. Humanity needs education. Nakakalungkot lang, ano? This is a call for influencers na nagsasabi na everyone should just sell soap. Mag-trade ka na lang or benta ka na lang ng kung ano-ano. Diyos ko po, that's a very small percentage of the businesses here in the Philippines, man. Lahat ng ito, lahat ng gumagana, lahat ng nakikita mo sa labas, very small percentage yung nakikita mo sa social media businesses. I hope na medyo maging careful na yung mga influencer sana. Alam mo yun? Saying na education is not important. Nakakontribute tayo eh, di ba? Kabobohan. I know that yung mga negosyo nyo is successful. Okay yan, mayayaman nyo, di ba? Pero of course, collectively as a country, hindi naman tayo pwedeng magbenta ng sabon lahat. Magbenta ng malunggay tea lahat, di ba? Alam mo yun? Hindi man tayo pwedeng mag-trade lahat. All I'm saying is, kapag ang estudyante is nasa college pa lang, please, itong mga influencers, itong mga providers ng course, stay away muna. Keep off them. Keep off those brains na hindi pa naman talaga nade-develop masyado. Kapag graduate sila, go ahead. Pero kung ganyan pa lang, still nurturing yung knowledges niya, di ba? Keep off.